guys. Yesterday was a hectic night. Everything was going crazy. But, so the power went out yesterday. And we were on the phone for 4 hours and it was in the middle of the night trying to figure out exactly where the fuse box was. I was still asleep. But your boy ended up finding out where it was and it was right there. Anyway, but I have power, I didn't have AC or anything. Everyone's still asleep, damn. It's gonna be a good day today. We're about to do some grocery shopping. Get everything knocked out. That way we have something to eat. But look at this view, man. It's so nice. I can't get over this. So we'll go to the grocery store. We'll grab some food. Grab a French baguette. And then we'll be chilling. Look at all these stairs, man.
Always find spots.
But this is our spot. It's like right next to the water too. If you turn left, there's water. If you turn right, there's stores. Hey, did you close the door? Okay, cool. These are like all the restaurants that are right here. Today we're supposed to go to the Castle Hill, I think. It's like a really nice place. It's like the stereotypical French music playing too. Alright guys, so we have just arrived at this little one. I can't pronounce it at all. But we're grabbing some good food. We have some at the window. We got some sweets and bread and some stuff like that we can get on. Should be fine. These guys are doing cartwheels over there. What's going on? It's pretty late here, man. I like it. No, I don't think so. Guys, look at all this pizza and stuff. I think I'm gonna get from here a croissant. One of those. That looks pretty good too. I might get one of these as well. Alright, we just picked up our small brunch. I've got a roll. What's up, cuz? Yeah, man. This about to taste good as hell. I can already tell.
No, I feel like that French people know how to make breakfast.
I feel like they know how to make food in general, man.
Yeah.
Honestly. Their food is good.
Especially their breakfast. It's so bravo.
Yeah. What is this?
You have pizza for breakfast, so.
If you have pizza for breakfast, you know you're winning.
Yeah.
It's so nice here, man. Honestly, I wish you guys can like just be here and like experience it for yourselves. So we're gonna try to find a little small place to sit down and just eat. It's like wherever you go, it feels like, you know, you're just surrounded by everything, you know? I feel like the place that we got was also like really nice and, you know, a lot of people and a lot of things going on, so it's always nice. Guys, look what we just found. Starbuzz France. This is where we need to get our hookah supply. All right, guys, so we just found a small little place to sit down and eat. It's under a tree. But look how good this looks. What do you guys think?
Delicious.
Looks great. Well, you, what'd you get? Pizza?
Yeah.
How is it?
It's nice, man.
It's good.
Very good.
That's what we like. That's what we like.
Use our next stop, man. Starbucks.
Yeah, we're going to Starbucks next. As soon as we finish, because we need instant light charcoal. Yesterday was a headache. We just finished eating. By the way, guys, this stuff, give it a try. It's good. But anyway, the food that we got was covered in sea salt, and we're all dehydrated right now. The thing was filled with sea salt. Extremely salty. We're just in a little grocery store trying to find some essentials that we need. We need some shampoo and some body wash. That little travel pack does not fit you. Hey dude, we should get watermelon. Yeah. Well done. Or at least something to drink, huh? Because their drinks are cheap here. Grocery store we're actually headed to, and it's supposed to be a huge one. We gotta find all our groceries, get everything squared away, so we stop getting ripped apart on these prices for food and stuff. The food's actually not too expensive here, like surprisingly. I thought it was gonna be a lot worse, but you know, this is kind of, every time we need to get a snack, we don't need to go out to get a snack, you know, we can just eat at home. It's not a huge deal. It is so nice. Look at this. Look at all these chickens. Alrighty, guys. So this is like their mall. It's kind of nice. You know, I really should have paid attention in French class because the language barrier here is pretty strong. I thought it was going to be a little bit better, you know, being a tourist city. But like even like using the train or the subway, it was a terrible experience because everything was written in French, and even when you click English, it just puts it in French. There's like 2 things that are in English and the rest is in French. But lessons learned, right? At least we got this guy that knows pretty good French, and then we have Mo with us as well. He's at the flat that also has really good French. So this is an actual grocery store now, or convenience store. We're getting sunscreen, shampoo, everything that we need, and probably some drinks. What's up, Ahmed?
I'm tired, man.
What are you tired
I need
of?
some energy drink.
No, man, you don't need energy. You need water. That's what you need. You need water.
I don't drink water anymore.
Yep, so we're still here. Oh, yeah. It's your boy. Alright, guys. We have gotten the stuff. Red Bull, smoothie, shampoo, socks, everything that we need. We're supposed to grab some like actual groceries, but I think we're gonna get the car and come back here because I'm not trying to carry 24 cases of water on the tram. It's not a good time. Guys, see, they got the Red Bull, and I got a smoothie. You know, it's a little choices that save you from diabetes and obesity.
It has more
Bullshit.
sugar than the
Look,
It's a little choices that save you from heart problems.
I think that's supposed to mean sugar.
It's sugar, but it's from fruit, so it doesn't count.
It doesn't matter.
That's why.
Haiderr, look. أنا 11 gram sugar and 15.
Yeah, but this one's like 3 times the size. How many servings is this, though?
No,
Yeah,
it's
for 100,
Oh,
and you have like
you're gonna get diabetes for us.
150 grams of sugar.
you know what, guys? I don't like your logic. All right, guys. So we finished shopping. It's me and Ahmed. We're waiting on the person that takes 3 hours in the bathroom to come out. You know he takes forever in the bathroom, right?
So we'll get his hair.
I think we might just leave without him, though. I don't know. But we gotta figure it out. Oh, actually, he came out. Oh, he never went to the bathroom, did he?
No, man.
No bathroom?
There's no bathroom right there.
Damn.
Show him.
My cousin is literally trying to buy gloves for his motorcycle for 200 euros. Ahmed,
What up, man?
that's how much our apartment costs for this whole trip.
No way.
This. Each person,
My helmet cost almost like 500 €.
500 euros for a helmet.
Yeah. I'm a
Bro, you're
suit.
stupid.
Suit is like, I don't know, man. Maybe 700, 800 euros.
Yeah, screw that. I'd rather die.
Oh, and
Or get a car.
I also gotta get boots.
You should get this. This
What?
one right here, see-through.
What the fuck, man?
Guys, look how beautiful this church is. Wow. It's right in the old city. It's absolutely gorgeous. Guys, look at this food. Looks great.
Oh shit.
What'd you forget?
My phone. Get that at the medium.
What's going on, guys? It's currently, what time is it right now?
1.
There you go.
Okay, it's 1 o'clock. Right there. 1:37. Ahmed's doing something he's not supposed to be doing.
Wow, man.
Okay, so we took an $800 deposit from the lady for this apartment, and she said, one rule and one rule only. Don't smoke. This guy, look, Karar is his accomplice as well.
We got a fan.
Huh?
We got a fan over there.
Okay, bro, it doesn't matter.
For this smoke, man.
We're on vacation.
We on vacation, I guess. But guys, oh yeah, look at Sam. So focused. Look at the focus. Boy, what you think about with that big head? Anyway, guys, so our fridge is stocked. Everything. Mo and Hoos went shopping today, and bro, I swear they're housewives. Like, look at this. They got ice cream. They got frozen pizzas. We're in France. Oh, Karar went with them too.
I'm not
Yeah,
with
I'm
my
in
wife.
France.
Bro, I gotta take my wives out to go shopping, alright?
Alright, there you go. But guys, remember how good this looked yesterday? It looks like a hurricane came through this 3 times. This is a disaster, man. What's going on?
What do you mean? You sleep here. You did this.
I didn't do nothing, bro.
I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.